Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to schedule dark mode on your Telegram app on your Android phones. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open the app on your phone. After opening, in the top left side corner of your screen you can get three lines option. Just tap on it. Okay, like this. From here open the settings. In the settings guys, scroll down. Here you can get the option chat settings. Just tap and open it like this, and once again scroll down. Here you can get the option auto night mode. First you need to enable this option like this, and after enabling just tap on auto night mode option like this. Here you can get the option disable schedule adaptive. If you want to schedule this, just tap on schedule and select your time from and to. So from here you can easily able to schedule the night mode on your Telegram app. If you want to disable it, go back, and from here you can easily able to disable this option. That's it. Okay, so in case this feature is not showing on your app, now what you need to do, you need to go to Google Play Store and simply update the Telegram app from the Play Store. Okay, so that's it for today guys. It's a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.